Coinbase Credit Card Review. Founded in 2012, Coinbase was already a leading crypto exchange when it launched its Coinbase Visa card. The Coinbase Visa is similar to any other Visa card that you may be accustomed to, except that it is compatible with up to 9 different cryptocurrencies. It draws from your Coinbase balance, so you simply pay with a PIN or withdraw from an ATM, as you would with a normal card. Accepted anywhere that Visa is accepted, the Coinbase Visa gives global spending ability, with no international limits. There are enhanced security features that include 2-step verification, plus you have the option to instantly freeze your card through a hearty mobile app that keeps you in the driver's seat of your account. Bookkeeping is also made easy, with the option for account notifications, digital receipts, and transaction summaries. However, it is a fee-heavy credit card. Although there is no issuance fee, you will pay several other fees, like a cryptocurrency liquidation fee of nearly 2.5% and a 2% international transaction fee. There is also a 1% penalty when you withdraw above your maximum limit. Although crypto rewards can reach as high as 4% on eligible purchases, that 2.5% transaction fee leaves you only with 1.5% gains. Still, customers remain generally happy with the credit card and appreciate the additional security and convenience features this card has to offer. Pros: enhanced card security, accepted at same locations as Visa, additional bookkeeping features. Cons: high transaction fees, must have a Coinbase account, only 9 cryptocurrencies.